Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Hollywood here, and we are going to be at Rafa and Mez's pre-ride. We got the Ducati gang over here, sitting pretty. I love this orange and like chrome look that he's done. He got it from MONSTERFAIRINGS. You see the MF on the back. But yeah, waiting for Rafa and Mez to show up. This is actually a decent turnout, and I know it's going to be fucking chaotic as hell, but yeah, just sit back, relax, and just enjoy the ride. Oh, we got the boy Suave over here. The boy gonna be doing some nasty drop backs. What up? You ready? You gonna be going like, ew? Yeah, somebody.
Oh hell yeah.
Yes, sir. Huh?
Be honest. What do you think? I want honest feedback on it.
I like it a lot. Like it's not like heavyweight.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, everything else is so hot. So like this one's perfect, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah. Okay, cool. About that video weight?
Yo, this is about to be insane. Everybody's all this revving. Hopefully nobody goes down. Hopefully everybody stays safe. Rides within their limits. Let's get it. Snuck in, gang. Bro, what? That's insane, bro. I was trying to get beside you. So,
my guy.
I was trying to get beside you on the camera with the thing on. Yeah.
Oh, we should have. I didn't think about that. All right, later we'll do that.
Yeah, yeah.
That would be tough.
How you liking the event, man?
Crazy. I wish it wasn't raining, but tonight it will be even crazier. So it's been good. Damn. Shout out to everyone who did show up despite the weather, man. We appreciate you guys.
Yeah, we're battling a little bit of rain here. I'm about to dip actually, because as you guys can see, it's about to pour down. It already did pour down a little bit, and it's still pretty popping down here a little bit. Nobody doing any more stunts. But we're about to dip so we can go to the event later on and just chill for a little bit. Hey, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little meet, all the footage that we got, because your boy is getting soaked right now. My back is wet. I'm trying to get on home. Hopefully I'll make it in one piece. Because I'm definitely going to have to change when I get home. And I got a hole in my glove that's getting bigger and bigger. And I do not like riding in the rain on these freaking super courses, or these Pirellis in general. And I'm trying to follow directions in the rain, be careful with my braking. Bike life, baby. I love it. Yeah, we're gonna head back to the B&B. Then we're gonna meet up with Flo. I'm gonna help him set up at the Ghost event. And we're probably just gonna chill there so we don't have to leave and come back and try to get a spot and all that shit. So stay tuned. We are almost at the main event. All right, boys, we're pulling in.
This is fucking cool. This is fucking cool. Better blur my face, bitch.
I'm not blurring shit.
Alright, here. We at Ghost Quiet.
Yeah, we're at Ghost Quiet. We're here early. Ain't nobody fucking out here. No, I'm just playing. Yeah, everybody's fucking setting up. So we're about to help Flo set up real quick, and then we're gonna head back, and then we're gonna drive the truck because it might rain again. We don't know, but it looks pretty fucking sunny. We got a clear, fast flow spot of all this water. With the M on the back.
I figured I'd take over the vlog for Hollywood because he's too Hollywood for everyone.
That's crazy work.
He puts on sunglasses, thinks he's better than everyone else.
Yes, sir.
We gotta get this bike out. Fast Flow has been shoveling mud. And then we're gonna set up. You didn't see the zip tie. Don't worry about that. They didn't see the zip tie. It's fine.
I got zip ties if you need. I just heard somebody say it.
That's it? That's it right there, buddy.
You want to make a miracle or what?
Just make it look like it didn't happen. I don't really care.
Nothing happened. That's the thing. They just don't know that.
I don't want it to like have a hole in it anymore. Appreciate you, bro. Alright, we're pretty much done setting up. This is a little quick behind the scenes action. You never really get to see all this if you know, like, if you're not really a part of this, like setting up a booth and helping someone set up. You don't really get to see all this. It's pretty interesting to see. Everyone got all their bikes pulled in over there. Yeah, that's used Bike Directs over there. We got SOK Rafa. I just dropped my carbon off to him. We got Fast Lane Gang right here. We got Tramoto, Lord have mercy. We got Fast Flow, we're set up right here. We got Jeremiah Stop next to us, 9 gear. Got Careless over there, and something else. I can't really read that far, but I'm gonna throw the drone up real quick and get you guys some overhead shots of inside the stadium. And as well, we have a bunch of like different Italian ice, drinks, lemonade. It's gonna be a pretty dope event, and the parking lot is huge. I don't know if it'll fill up, but if it does fill up, it's gonna be insane. Biggest bike meet of the year right here. Of course, we got sheriffs on scene. So if you got crazy out here, they are coming to get you, and they will put you in the paddy wagon. They will put you in the paddy wagon. So yeah, y'all behave, no revving, but obviously you guys won't see that until after, but hopefully everyone behaves.
Hell yeah, bro. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Right here.
Right there?
Yes. As big as that.
Okay.
They're faded, but it'll be good. Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Dune bug activity.
Let's go!
Dune bug activity. Alright guys, just gonna wrap up the video. If you guys enjoyed that, hit like, subscribe, share. We're currently at Buc-ee's. Everybody kind of met up here and kind of doing the same thing they're doing up here. They're just renting and burnouts and a bunch of nonsense. But if you guys enjoy, hit like, subscribe, share. Comment down below your favorite part of the video. And hopefully, your boy is now a ghost. Alright, Phantom over there talking to Ghost, and now I am an affiliate or something like that. I don't know. But I was looking at it like it's another business venture, I guess, or like something where I can get a little bit more exposure and like build myself and then eventually build my brand. So thank you guys for rocking out with me. We're hitting 10.3K on YouTube today. Keep supporting your boy. Keep making these videos for you guys. And don't forget to hit like button, subscribe, share, comment down below.